Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate bond ladder investing with Schwab step by step clearly. To activate bond ladder investing with Schwab, start by logging into your Schwab account. Once logged in, navigate to the Products tab located in the main menu. From the drop-down, select Bonds. On the Bonds page, look for the Bond Ladder option. Click on the Bond Ladder link to learn more about the strategy and its benefits. Next, locate the Create a Bond Ladder button on the page. Click on this button to begin setting up your bond ladder. You will be asked to select the amount you wish to invest. Enter your investment amount in the designated field. Then, choose the maturity range for your bond ladder. You can typically select short, intermediate, or long-term maturities based on your investment goals. After selecting the maturity range, review the available bond options that match your criteria. Use filters to narrow down your choices by yield, credit rating, and duration. Once you have selected your preferred bonds, add them to your cart. Review your cart carefully to ensure all chosen bonds meet your investment strategy. If satisfied, proceed by clicking the Checkout button. On the checkout page, confirm your order details before submission. Finally, submit your order to establish your bond ladder. You should receive a confirmation of your bond ladder investment shortly. Monitor your investment periodically to ensure it aligns with your financial goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.